Hey y'all, I had to come on and show y'all these new cards I got. And I've been wanting it. Came out in December. Like Seers Tarot. And it just came in today. I ordered them like a week ago. It was on back order. But I had them in the front and my mama opened them. And she usually don't open my cards or look at them. But they spoke to her. These cards are very, very beautiful. I love them. By Chris Ann. They're called the Light Seers Tarot. Very beautiful. I like the energy. Chris Ann. Okay, they're made by Hay House. And it's a nice feel to them. Nice feel. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. My mama was shuffling them. Seven of Swords. Let me just show y'all a couple, not that much. Five of Swords. Four of Swords. Like, it's very beautiful. It's Two of Swords. This Page of Wands. I like this. I love this art. Ace of Swords. And this is Eight of Cups. Beautiful. Beautiful. Light Seers. Let's see how the card stock feel. Comfortable in the hands. Thick enough. Let's pull a card for the people. Let's pull a card for the people. Let's see. Let's see, Spirit. Give me one card for the collective consciousness. One card for the people. One card for the people from the Light Seers Tarot Spirit. Archangels, angels, ascended masters, gods, goddesses, beings from higher dimensions. What messages you want? For the people. Oh, some people bored. Ten of Pentacles, bored with family. These people happy home, happy family. Ten of Pentacles. Oh, happy marriage. Oh, bored, thinking about a significant other. Interesting. Yeah. Oh, or somebody could be using magic to pull a lover in. Or getting their husband back and making a family whole again. Interesting. I like the singing bowls. That's beautiful. I like this. Oh my God, y'all, I love this art. She did an amazing job on making this. And I love the diversity. A lot of the cards. That's cute. Six of Pentacles. I love this. Okay, thank y'all for tuning in. I just wanted to show y'all, give y'all a sample of the Light Seers Tarot. Look at the guy here called Mother Earth and Venus. The Empress. Pregnant, creating something. It's beautiful. Oh, I love this card. The Sagittarius card, Temperance. Archangel Michael. Okay, that's enough art. I'm gonna let y'all go. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you have any questions about this deck or any other decks y'all want me to do videos on, because I have a lot. But let me know what y'all think and what y'all feel. Be blessed.